So I know a lot of you know this particular woman here, Abada the man. Abada go. Ibo koreanu kosieru. I know a lot of you know this particular woman here, Abada the man, the relationship therapist, or Kachaima in marriage, the marriage counselor. Now only her know it all when it comes to relationship and marriage. Now, she has been in police detention. She has been in the cell. She has been in the kirikiri for over 6 to 7 days now, ever since she got arrested. Now, what do I want to say as the greatest analyzer of all time, Pocket Journalist of 2026? Your analysis can never beat mine. That is why I will always advise you sit down and listen to me. Abadago, if you come out, I want you to watch this video. Abadago, I warned you. I told you to apologize. Now, come out to apologize to these people. Oh, when they get to a saying what happened on here, Osela sorry, Osolando, she felt remorseful. But no, Abada, you felt like him with a contact. Abada, you felt like him with a contact. Him with a pride, him with a ego, him with a pride, pride in the illiterate in a way, or him with Abada. Because you know how to do damage control. You know how to manipulate people. Yes, you once manipulated me, Abada. Yes, you once manipulated me. But I won't walk record. Mama tamba madu jasamishi. Abada is not romishi. You understand me? It's a mua Chisom ishi. Ma bachipa nkete. Because Okoko gebo na ma on a joe for kwakuro. Abada, ever since you got arrested, if you come out and watch this video, ever since you got arrested, it is only your twins that have come out, Chisoba, to beg on your behalf. The rest people are happy that you were arrested. That is how bad of a person you are, allegedly. Because if you are not that bad, Abada, people will come out to beg on your behalf. Those people that you claim that are supporting you, that are in your WhatsApp group, none of them, they are nowhere to be found on the internet to beg on your behalf so that they can release you. It is only your twin sister that is coming out after 5 days to beg for them to forgive you and release you. But that is how bad your story is. Mommy, ride on. Mommy, Abada, ride on. Mommy, ride on. They don't like you on this internet, but we are supporting you. Mommy, ride on. We are there now. We are there. They are nowhere to be found. Oh, on the internet, say, nah, they. Not everybody you see on the internet will chase your pain with you. Most of them, when you start feeling pain, they will leave you and run away. Ride on, ride on. Mommy, Abada, because nobody wants to bring his or her money to help you solve your own problem. But I'm that she gave you the really to my. But if they are nowhere to be found. That is how most people on the internet is. So I'm not doing the internet careful is. Ever since they get people for this internet, where don't they commit, where don't they go sell, where don't they go police station, even the one where defame Ned, a lot of people still came out on the internet to beg on that guy's behalf before he released the Agawa court. But Abada, nobody, no single person have come out to beg on your behalf. Even those people where they hype you, Mami Abada, those people that have been hyping you, those people you call supporters, those people you feel like they got your back, but none of them have come out on the internet to talk about you, to beg on your behalf. That is why for you to come out, it go long. Because even as you there for sale, Abada, people still they insult you. People still they insult you. People they still talk say make you there. People, the level of bad wishes where people they wish you say you there inside cell, it's so alarming. It's so outrageous. It is too much. That's why say they don't arrest you. You there for police station. People still they set their ring lights. They insult you. They toss in a waiting fit you. Nobody apart from your twin sister have come out to beg on your behalf. It is that bad. Abada, it is that bad. You understand me, Abada? When you come out to watch this video, man, that all those people supporting you are the people you organized for yourself to support you. Nobody in his or her rightful senses will support you, Abada. I once supported you and I regretted it, Abada. It is that bad. It is that bad. Need on a cell for over 6 days, 7 days. No single person don't come out. Come to say, people know they talk like that, Abada. It is that bad. I am not happy that you got arrested, but then again, nobody they come out can say, Abada, nobody they talk like that. They say make you date here. All those women wait there for America. She was America these people they sponsor say make you not even come out. Abada, it is that bad. agwara gị na ọha na-eshiri gị nri ọha na-eshiri gị nri wo ụmụ nwaanyị nọ na TikTok some of them nọcha America ha ji ego ha ji eme case o nwere ndị na-arụgidere ọrụ na America na UK rụtazi ego eji eme case dosi ya one side na-achọ onye ga-adabata na trap ha ka ha were eme case abata all that position ka ị nọ ụmụ nwaanyị ibe gị jakashiga gị. This is not a man to a woman ka asị the man nwere ike nweta obe ebere forgive woman ndị mmadụ yọọ ya ke ụmụ nwaanyị dị wicked ụta ahụ feeling dị wicked ụmụ nwaanyị na-esend gị message on that nọ na your matter Abada. This case go long oh. This your case go long Abada. Because you refuse to take correction. You refuse to accept defeat. You refuse to feel remorseful. You refuse to accept that you are wrong. Rather, you keep doing from one damage control to the another. How somebody gave you 200,000 naira to go and buy Campari. How somebody did this for you. Even as much as they hate you, people are still gifting you. People are still buying gifts for you. Hey, they like me. The more you look, the lesser you see Abada. Abada, you be the only person where they don't arrest for this internet. We be say nobody they talk about your matter. All those women wait there for America. If you see us, then they shout, may they not release you. Some people they even want donate money. May they not release you. May they not release you. Do you know what you said about women? About Igbo. Okachamana marriage. Mrs. I know all Abada. Do you know what you said? And that thing Igbo. When do we work on wine in America and UK? On how much open a case guy. When they will need donate ego to make sure you don't come out Abada. It is that bad. I warned you Abada. I warned you. It's sorry. But no Abada. Rather you come up with your damage control. Rather you come out to curse them. Rather you come out to say weird things about people. Rather you come out to tell us that when they like reggae. Mami Abada. Actually me give away on your platform. These are all audio. These are all audio. I'm not audio. They wanted to teach you. They wanted you to come down and learn. Because they feel like you know what you are doing. But you need to learn a little. But you refuse. You need a pride in the more here. You need a pride in the village. Pride and the illiterate in the way. You need a your pride and ego be like this. But if you come out there, no say you just won't come out. Or they just pity you. All those women, they don't want to make you come out. Nobody is saying anything good about you on the internet. Rather, they are supporting so that you will stay there. It is that bad, Abada. You make them mad here to the extent that no one single person can say, oh, because you a bad person, Abada. Yes, because nobody, no freaky person is saying, oh, because release them, Abada. Even as your twin sister, they talk to me, they release you. People don't even really send her. People don't really even send her, Abada. It is that bad. If you come out, please amend your ways. You see, I'm saying that she contact her, they are nowhere to be found. HME contact. Only who gine a cocoa, and we pride, we feeling on a police station today. Before the next 24 hours, you'll be out. Abada. People in a contact go because nobody will want to bring out his or her money to sponsor your case. It will only be from your husband or your family. Only nobody contact now, contact and where go. And then when they go, oh, why in America and UK? How did you go? Now, I don't have paper. Abada, when you come out, please, I beg you, repent and apologize to people. And please, pay that woman that money you collected from her. Shalom. I'm not laughing you, I'm not mocking you, but then again, hi, you are the only person that was arrested that nobody is begging on your behalf. Even on that defense, big man. Even more come with the big and now you're become happen on happen on content, only come on Igbo, but you're nobody they come out to beg on your behalf. Rather people are saying happening idea. On dia. Ego le kanga po, on we kesi, ego le kanga po, on dia. Hey, Abada, it is that bad though. Hey, your own is that bad though, very bad though. Hey.